Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Alright, so in today's video, we want to evaluate this integration, this integral calculus. Alright, solution. We have integral 30 x raised to the power 3 plus x raised to the power 2 dx. Alright, so this elongated s represents integral. Alright, and in one of the rules of integration, we say if we have the integral of x n raised to the power n, it gives x raised to the power n plus 1 over n plus 1. Okay, all right, so that's what we're going to do to each of these variables that we have. Right, so we have x raised to the power 3 plus 1 over 3 plus 1, then plus the other one, x raised to the power 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 1. All right, then we have the range, we have 3 and we have 0. All right, so we have this to be x raised to the power 4 over 4 plus this will give us x raised to the power 3 over 3. Then we have 3 and 0. Okay, now what this means is that when x equals 3, let's see what this expression will give us. And the other one, when x equals 0, let's see what this expression will give us as well. All right, so now we're going to write that we have 4. Let's write x raised to the power 4 over 4 plus x raised to the power 3 over 3. That is for when x equals 3. And then we're going to write for these two, x raised to the power 4 over 4 plus x raised to the power 3 over 3. All right, so you substitute for x. Anywhere we see x in this expression, we're going to write 3. So we have 3 raised to the power 4 over 4 plus 3 raised to the power 3 over 3 for this. And for this, we have, anywhere you see x, you write 0 because here x equals 0. So 0 raised to the power 4 over 4 plus 0 raised to the power 3 over 3. Okay, now what is 3 raised to the power 4? It means 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9, 9 times 3 is 27, 27 times 3 is 81. It's 1 over 4. 3 raised to the power 3 is 27 over 3. And then here we have 0. 0 over 4. And then here we have 0 over 3. Okay, so now what do we do here? You know, this will actually give us 0. All right, so we are supposed to subtract. This is what we are supposed to do. We are supposed to subtract this from this. All right, so now let's find the LCM of this. LCM of this is 12. Okay, so how many 4 can we see in 12? 3. 3 times 81 will give us 243. Plus, how many 3 can we see in 12 is 4. 4 times 27 will give us 108. Minus, what is this going to give us? It's going to give us 0 at the end. All right, so because 0 over 4 will give us 0, plus 0 over 3 will give us 0, then 0 plus 0 will give us 0. By the time we add this, 243 plus 108 is going to give us 351 over 12. And then we can use 3, right? 3 here is going to give us 4. 3 in this is going to give us 117. And then to mix number, we say, how many 4 can we see here? You can see 29, then 1 over 4. Okay, that is the final answer. All right, so don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you.